Hi, it's EasyOrElse, with some inexpensive and easy ways to change up your space. I decided that it was time to update our bedroom space, and I've learned over the years that the one change that makes the most impact is paint. So I started there. I was looking for a deeper, moody mountain look, deriving colors from a color palette of earth, stone, wood, and metal. I also knew there were things I couldn't change, like my grandparents' maple four-poster bed and the duvet. And even though this room is a small space, using a dark color on an accent wall is really pretty stunning. The other element I wanted to try was using glitter. So after gathering up the things that I already had and purchasing a gallon of Iron Mountain paint and some fine glitter, I dived right in. After painting the main wall, I made a paper template and traced it on to the wall. I then filled that in with some copper craft paint that I already had. I then went back over the gray with the glitter layer so that the sky would sparkle like stars. It's very subtle, but it's fabulous when any light hits it. For the glitter application, any painting method will work. A brush, roller, sponge or rag, I tried every technique. The important tip is to add a bit of water to the paint to thin it, and then while applying, keep it well stirred. It's also a good idea to practice on some scrap wood or paper to see which technique you prefer. And remember, start small with the glitter, you can always add more. To increase the visual effect, I bought a rope light and clipped it to the back of the headboard, and then also hung a lighted star in the corner of the room for nighttime drama. To finish off the look, I brought in my aspen tree that I had already dried out and trimmed to fit in the space. I love that I can have a bird nesting or add twinkle lights into the branches. I updated the bed skirt and bought an 84-inch drapery panel for $2. I cut that in two and sewed a panel to each side of the old bed skirt. The shimmer on it matches the wall, and of course its main purpose is to hide all of my stuff. I also finished my log pile pillow, and we'll post a video on that soon. So, for $40 and my time, I got to try something new and now enjoy a cozy bedroom that we both love. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe.